Ma chambre a la forme d'une cage. Le soleil passe son bras par la fenêtre. Les chasseurs à ma porte comme les petits soldats qui veulent me prendre.
What you've seen of La Giraudière so far is the finished portions of this old French home. However, there is so much more to do. The volunteers work with many different tasks. We use social media and YouTube to promote this program. We also have avid gardeners who have helped clear the grounds around us, which used to be full of weeds and vegetation, but now is healthy and full of strong trees and fields. But we are calling out to those who will volunteer their trade. For example, plumbers, electricians, and handy workers who are looking to learn or practice their French and have a cultural exchange. Perhaps you are looking for work experience. Maybe you are retired and miss the hands-on effort. You could just be someone looking for a French countryside experience with a bit of volunteer work on the side. We want you. Some of the work on current projects includes plasterboarding, electrical work, plumbing, decorating, tiling, and renovating this kitchen. We have come so far, and with your help can go further.
Et puis je